I wanted to marry you. What do you say?
I can understand. It's too late.
It's useless to talk to you.
Why do you want to get married now?
The truth is very annoying.
Has anyone come to give you? Tell mom and dad not to get married yet.
Why don't you listen to me? I will not marry someone else by spoiling me, will it not?
Oh, don't be made. I won't marry anyone without you. Stop talking now too. You have spoken a lot.
Okay, my fault. But I love you.
Love you too. Will you drink coffee?
Of course.
Come here.
Let's go. Go. I'm feeling very tired.
Why?
I don't think mom and dad will agree.
Dogs keep talking.
You don't take my words seriously.
Why do you keep talking sarcasm? Now just do it. My mind has become bad. After listening to you, listen to me. If you don't keep quiet, I will kill you.
Okay. Let's hurry up. Will you drink my life?
First tell me, what will you drink?